Cycling accidents on our roads are a far too common occurrence and can have a devastating impact on those involved. So I'm going to highlight cycling accident claims and compensation, which will hopefully help you determine if you have an eligible claim. Whether you do it for fitness, leisure or work, cycling is a great activity enjoyed by millions across the country. Unfortunately, negligence on the part of some motor vehicle drivers can result in devastating injuries, and often the only way to get your life back on track is to pursue compensation. If you've been injured in a bike accident with a registered vehicle in New South Wales, you might be eligible for compensation. In order to determine this, let's look at some bike accidents that typically qualify for compensation. These include a vehicle passing too close and knocking you off, being hit from behind, others failing to give way, or general hazardous driving causing you to crash, and when a motor vehicle driver opens their door causing an accident. When lodging a bike accident claim, the insurer is going to classify you as having either a minor or non-minor injury. A minor injury includes soft tissue injuries, whiplash or bruising, whereas non-minor injuries are more severe, such as broken bones and injuries that require surgery, or serious psychological conditions including PTSD. If your injuries are classified as minor, you'll be entitled to statutory benefits, which include wages and medical expenses for a maximum of 6 months. If your injuries are classified as non-minor, you can get medical expenses and domestic assistance for life, and you may also be entitled to a damages claim for a lump sum payout. We recently represented a man who was riding to work in the morning when he was hit by a vehicle trying to overtake him. Even though the accident wasn't at high speed, the injuries sustained were significant, including a number of broken bones. He required 12 weeks off work completely before an unsuccessful attempt at returning to work on light duties. Ultimately, he was never able to return to his pre-injury employment. Because we had lodged a claim on his behalf, the insurer paid his lost wages and medical expenses until we were able to finalise his damages claim. In the end, we were able to obtain a lump sum payout for his pain and suffering and future loss of wages, which helped him move on from the accident. Hopefully, this has been helpful to you. But if you're still unsure about cycling accident compensation or need help with your claim, call Law Partners and have a confidential conversation with one of our specialist CTP lawyers today.